In preparation for dry laying boards, remove any internal doors that will be impacted by the change in floor height and remove skirting boards as required. Before laying any boards, familiarize yourself with the board layout on the supplied bespoke system drawing. Lay boards end to end, ensuring the pipe channels line up as you go. Cut the boards as required using a straight edge and a craft knife. Ensure the board orientation is correct so that the return end and transitional area are in the right place. When all boards have been dry laid into position, you are ready to begin fixing with Wunda spray adhesive. For further help and advice, head over to wundagroup.com/support for more videos, instructions, and frequently asked questions to assist with all aspects of your installation.